to my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. So welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, it's basically going to be a quick tutorial, I guess you can say, or mostly like a prep with me before my hair appointment. I don't know if I want to call it that yet, but basically I'm just going to be washing my hair tonight because tomorrow morning I will be getting my plaits done at 10 a.m. So I wanted to show you guys how I deep condition and what I use to wash my hair. I'm going to be using the Talia Wahed creamy co-wash today. I'm trying to prevent myself from using shampoos a lot more. Like, I'm trying to go, you know, less on those because they're very harsh on your hair, and it kind of strips your hair of all your nutrients and your moistures that you have, you know, built up over the couple of days before your next wash. The co-washes are more just like a gentle cleanse, but it doesn't strip all your hair, and it has coconut oil and aloe vera in it as well, and conditions your hair. So I'm going to show you guys my DIY honey, mayo, and egg deep conditioner as well after I go in with the co-wash. Different homemade DIYs, it's just way better. Like, just making your own stuff, it really hydrates your hair the way you're supposed to and the way you want it to go. And so that's what I'm going to do because I want my hair to be very hydrated before I get these plaits. I don't want my hair to be brittle or nothing. And I'm going to even hydrate my hair while I have my plaits in. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. I will come back when I'm done co-washing my hair, guys, okay? Okay. I didn't record myself making the DIY conditioner, but this is what it looks like. Smells like conditioner. So it's honey, egg, and mayo, and then avocado oil and olive oil. Those two oils is the main ones I usually use for my conditioners because they really help retain my moisture in my hair, help keep my hair shiny, moisturized, and it really helps define my curls as well. So when I combine all these, like, this is amazing conditioner. And I didn't need that much, that's why it's not a lot in here, because I don't really have a lot of hair, so I didn't want to waste a lot of product trying to make a conditioner. And by the way, as you can tell, these DIYs will get a little messy because of the egg and the mayo will slip on your ears, on your forehead, but they're worth it. Like, I love these conditioners on my hair. It makes my hair so curly and moisturized. Like, you can obviously see it's doing its job, and I haven't even washed the product out yet. The after look of my deep condition with the egg and the mayo and the honey with the oils. Okay, my hair looks so curly, y'all. Like, it looks so cute. I am in love. Homemade conditioners make your hair more curly and more moisturized than store-bought. I mean, store-bought works good as well, but if I had to choose which does better work on my hair, DIYs, baby. All day, every day, okay? Like, look how curly and moisturized my hair is. Like, y'all, and my hair is really growing. Like, I notice it like every other week. You know, I notice a difference in my hair. You guys, I'm probably gonna just moisturize my hair, put some oils in it, put a bonnet on, and then blow my hair out tomorrow. And I'm gonna, of course, you guys know I'm gonna make a video of my plaits, or me doing a video with my hair done, period. So this is water, but this is the end of my video, guys. I hope you guys like this video, just showing you guys small tips of how to do your hair, especially if you're about to get your hair done, like closure, frontals, plaits, braids, feed-ins, whatever you got first. This is something that is essential before doing your hair, okay? It's very important that you treat your hair, because you have to think about how long your hair is going to be in that protective style, and you want to make sure that your hair is still being loved. And still treat your hair while your hair is. I know most styles you can't, but plaits, I'm still able to treat my hair, get in my scalp, and take care of it even with plaits while it's in protective style. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. I know you guys want more content, and I'm willing to give that to you guys. Don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up. Give my videos likes every time I upload. And please don't forget to click that bell every time I upload a video to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you guys for being so supportive. And I will be back with another video, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye.